Hello friends, welcome to our course about cloud computing and modern network. Cloud computing has become an essential platform for modern businesses, so everyone wants to know and learn more about cloud computing. Organizations moving their applications on cloud and designing the new IT architecture with cloud in mind. But for beginners, there are lots of confusion about cloud computing, like what is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, what is private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud, and why organizations are moving to cloud when they already invested a huge amount of money in their current infrastructure, and how this overall cloud solution work. There are other emerging technologies also like SDN and SD-WAN, which is now deployed with cloud computing. We will talk about practical aspect of all these technologies and will understand how these different components fit together in cloud computing. We will talk about infrastructure as a code tool that are very common to deploy the cloud infrastructure in modern network. This course will be a foundation stone for you if you want to learn how cloud works with SD-WAN technology and how cloud resources are provisioned using infrastructure as a code tools. This course will also help you to clear the AWS certification exam, which adds value for both technical and non-technical resources in current digital world. I'll try to make this course as practical as possible so you can relate the topics to your real-time environment and get the maximum benefits of learning. So let's get started.